Hello, everyone. I know. I've been MIA, right? Charlie, this YouTube thing is no joke. Oh. It's no joke. Hey, it's no joke. And that's why I need your support, your like. It's no joke at all, and I've been sorry. Charlie, your support is going to make me consistent, okay? So please try hard and come true for your girl. I need you guys. Well, today I'm making something very different, very special. I'm making palm nut soup. Yeah, palm nut soup. And this time around, I'm using fresh fish, not the dry fish. And so, like you saw earlier in the video, I dressed up my tilapia and I just took out everything that I need to take it off and I cut it into pieces. So I'm adding some thyme, some garlic powder, some ginger powder. If you have the fresh blended ones, you can also use as well, and some salt. And I'm going to marinate this for a while. Okay, it's going to be in the fridge marinating for some time while I extract some juice from my palm kernel. Okay, so I'm going to extract by using the hot water. I've already pounded this, cooked and pounded it. So next time I'm going to show you how I did it. Yes, and so we have some chaff and some, is it the kernel or the seed? I don't know. Yes, from it. I'm going to take all of that out and extract just the juice. And like I said, I'm using colander to take out the chaff from the juice. Yes, so after doing this, I'm going to wash this also for a certain while because I still have some juice in there I need to extract. So I'll do this for 2 times. I'll do this twice and then I'll take it out, and then I'll also wash the seed or the kernel or whatever and see what it got. So this is what you get under, which is the residue, right? So you just take it out and you just sieve everything together. You can use cold water to do that if only your palm kernel was hot after pounding it, okay? But if it's in a while, it's in there, you don't want the oil sleeping, and so you just use hot water to do that, and that's what I did, okay? So whilst on fire, I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper, some onion to it, okay? I'm going to be blending this and adding to it, okay? So like you see, I'm taking it out. I know you saw earlier on that I'm cooking some banku. Yes, of course I need to eat this with some banku. Yes, some banku or any swallow from fufu or anything can go with it. So I took it out and I blended it. I'm just going back to pour it inside, mix it all together and give it a good stir. Then I'll allow this to boil for some time. While this is going on, I have my tilapia still in the fridge or wherever marinating. I'm going to check up on my banku again to give it a good stir, and then make sure this is actually going on well, because trust me, this season of weather need some hot soup. Yes, some hot soup. We are back and this is what we have. I'm going to go ahead and add my fresh tilapia to it, because I want the tilapia and the soup to cook at the same time. I don't want it to be too soft, and so it has to be on the same level with the soup and taste good. So I'm adding it to it now. Cover it up and go back to check the banku, and this is what we have. I think it's our last day, and so it's the last day. Yes, so now our banku is ready. This is how I prepare my banku, and this is how I serve it, okay, with the rubber or with a plastic bag, whatever. I put it down. Now you can see how the soup is. Look at the tilapia, it's all up. It means that there's some fire in there. And just go ahead and add some green pepper to it to garnish it and all of that. And I will go ahead and add some slice or some chopped onions to it as well. It's totally optional. Now this precursor, I'm going to add it to it. Make sure to heat up the precursor. You can try to also heat it hard and just mash it before you put it inside, or leave it this way. If you realize I didn't stir my fish or my soup, okay, because I don't want anything, this is totally optional. You can just add this to it or not. It gives some good flavor and some good scent to it. Yeah, so it's totally optional. Okay, now go ahead and stir it all together, because I've added my seasoning cube to it. So just be careful, just carefully mix this together, and this is how I do mine. In fact, the ladder I'm using, okay, it's not even preferable for this. Just have to use a flat one to do that, okay? But I'm using this to stir it up, and I'm being very, very careful. Although I know this is not too soft to just smash or just scramble into the soup, I'm also using it and being very careful about it. So after that, I'll just go ahead and leave it on fire for some time. I'm back, and look at how I think this is okay, and so I will just leave it on the fire for some while again. I'll go ahead and test it. Guys, you have no idea the number of times that I have mixed and tasted this. It was that good. Yes, it was good. Like, I kept tasting. I am sure I got full before I even finished preparing this meal. I kept testing it and it was that good. I'm going to lower the fire because yes, our tilapia is cooked, the soup is good. I just said this again. It's so funny. It was so nice. So you need to try it. Everyone needs to try this. Yes, and so I'm going to be serving this with my Banku. And like I told you, the weather is just good for this. And so here is my tilapia. I don't joke my tilapia head at all. I don't. So every part of the body can go, but tilapia head is mine, and everybody knows this in the house. Even my husband doesn't like the head, so I go ahead and take the head. So look at how beautiful this was served, and I'm going to add my banku to it. And otilo, I'm gone. I'm gone, far gone. Guys, I beg you. This one here, I'm begging you. Please try and like and comment and share my video. This is how I got motivated to actually bring you more videos. So please try and do that for me, okay? Yes, and until then, till we meet the next time, please enjoy your food and your weekend. Bye.